Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something that might seem mundane but is an absolute lifesaver for anyone dealing with cable chaos. We're talking about the Cable Zip Ties, 400-pack black assorted sizes by HaveMe TD. Stick around because we're about to show you why these zip ties are a game changer for your cable management needs. Let's dive right into it. In this package, you get a whopping 400 cable zip ties. Yes, you heard me right, 400. They come in assorted sizes, including 4, 6, 8, and 12 inches, making them versatile for a wide range of applications. Now, why do you need these? Well, whether you're an organization enthusiast or a DIY enthusiast, these zip ties are your new best friend. You can use them to tame that wild jungle of cords behind your TV, secure your Christmas lights like a pro, or even rescue your phone charger from the jaws of your vacuum cleaner. The possibilities are endless. Let's talk about some of the key features. These zip ties have a self-locking fastener design, ensuring a powerful and secure lock. They are made of durable nylon material, making them weather-resistant and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Plus, they come in sleek black, which won't easily stain. Now, you might be wondering about their strength. Well, they've got you covered. The loop tensile strength ranges from 18 pounds for the 4-inch ties to a whopping 40 pounds for the 6, 8, and 12-inch ones. To sum it up, the Cable Zip Ties, 400-pack black assorted sizes by HaveMe TD are the ultimate solution for your cable management needs. With a variety of sizes, excellent strength, and a budget-friendly price, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get your hands on these fantastic cable zip ties and take control of your cable chaos today. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.